Hello students, we are back with our MCQ series. So let's see आज के हमारे questions क्या क्या हैं. तो चलिए, first question is which of the following statements is a correct about MCA 21 project. MCA 21 क्या है? पहले तो ये देखो, ये है Ministry of Corporate Affairs. ठीक है, Corporate Affairs. So चलिए ऑप्शन देखते हैं. पहले तो it is led by the Union Finance Minister to provide easy and secure access of MCA services to the corporate entities, professionals and citizens of India. Second is it is envisioned to transform the corporate regulatory environment in India. तो हमें क्या बताने हैं इसमें? करेक्ट कोड्स बताने हैं. ठीक है, तो let me give you 5 seconds. Till then you can think about it. I hope you guys have thought about your answer. So let's check the options. First, it is led by the Union Finance Ministry. No, this is wrong because it is led by the, it is already in its name, it is led by Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Union Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So this is wrong. Second is it is envisioned to transform the corporate regulatory environment in India. It is correct. So your answer will be B. That is 2 only. Okay, let's go to the next question. Which of the following statement are incorrect about semiconductor chips? First is semiconductor chips are created with silicon, which is originally a conductor, but through doping it is made a semiconductor. And second is semiconductor chips are used by both car manufacturers, consumer electronics and manufacturers. ठीक है, तो have your 5 seconds and then we will discuss the answer. Okay, so first option is semiconductor chips are created with silicon. Okay, this is true. आगे क्या बोल रहा है वो? Which is originally a conductor. Now this is your catch because they are not generally conductor, they are insulator. Okay, you have to remember this thing, they are insulator, but through doping it is made a semiconductor. So this is wrong. The second is semiconductor chips are used by both car manufacturers and consumer electronics. Yes, this is true. Now the main thing is you have to look what is asked in the question. It is asked about incorrect, so your answer will be 1A only. Okay, I hope you have got your doubts cleared. Now let's go to the third question. Mount Nyeragongo is located in. सबसे पहले तो why this is in news? वहां पे volcano erupt हुआ है. Okay, volcano eruption हुआ है, and the volcano was stratovolcano. Okay, so where it is located? Your options are Japan, Philippines, Indonesia, none of the above. Have your 5 seconds. So the answer is none of the above because it is located in Democratic Republic of, sorry for the writing, Republic of Congo. Okay, let's move to our next question. Which of the following statements is a correct about the International Atomic Energy Agency? So our options are: it is created in the year 1957 in response to the Soviet Union's testing of first atomic bomb. It is under the direct control of United Nations. Its headquarters is located in Vienna, Austria. It serves as an intergovernmental forum for scientific and technological cooperation, peaceful use of war and nuclear power worldwide. Okay, so have your 5 seconds, guys. Then we will talk about this. So your answer will be, it is first created in 1957. Okay, it was created in 1957. It is correct. In response to the Soviet Union's testing of first atomic bomb. No. It was for the cooperation in, it was formed for the cooperation in nuclear field. Okay, so this was not the aim. So this is wrong. Second is, it is under the direct control of United Nations. This is also wrong, because although it was created independently, but it reports to both United Nations General Assembly plus United Nations Security Council. Third is, its headquarters is located in Vienna and Austria. True. It serves as an intergovernmental form. It serves as an intergovernmental form for scientific and technical cooperation in the peaceful use of nuclear technology and nuclear power worldwide. This is also correct. So let's go to the next question. That will be the last question of our segment. Sorry, we haven't discussed it answer, no? So 3 and 4 were correct, and we were asked out correct questions. So answer will be C. C will be its answer. Okay, let's go to the last question. Which of the following statements is a correct about 17+1 initiative, which has been used recently? So options are, it is a China-led format founded in 2012 at Budapest with an aim to expand cooperation between Beijing and Central and Eastern European member countries. Second is, it focuses on infrastructure projects such as bridges, motorways, railway lines, modernization of ports in the member state. Russia is not a member of the forum. So we have to tell the correct option. Have your 5 seconds, guys, and then we will discuss the answer. So I think अभी तक आपने देख लिया होगा, आपने सोच लिया होगा क्या आंसर आपका. So let's discuss about the answer. So this was our option. It is a China-led format founded in 2012 at Budapest with an aim to expand cooperation between Beijing and Central Eastern European members country. Yes, this is true. And इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? इनको CEE से भी denote कर देते हैं. ठीक है, CEE आ जाए हम जहाँ पर लिखा है, that means they are talking about Central and Eastern European member countries. Okay. Second is, it focuses on infrastructure projects such as bridges, motorways, railway lines, modernization of ports in member states. This is also true. Russia is not a member of the forum. This is also true, because you can see here they are for the mainly because this initiative is about developing countries. So Russia is developed in its own. Okay, it has been a world power at a time, so this cannot be part of this initiative. It is obvious. So answer will be D, because all are the correct. Third. I hope you guys have liked today's session. Thank you very much. And if you have doubts regarding anything, you can tell us about it in comment section. Thank you very much. Have a good day, guys.